Good morning. Welcome back to the new session. Today we are going to discuss phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. It is a Mendelian disorder only. We were learning the Mendelian disorder for last session onwards. So sickle cell anemia learned, hemophilia learned. Like that, phenylketonuria is also a Mendelian disorder only, following the pattern of law of inheritance. Following the pattern of law of inheritance. This inborn error of metabolism it is. Inborn means by birth onwards. This inborn error of metabolism is also inherited as the autosomal recessive trait only. It is also an autosomal recessive trait only. Now all of you understanding the meaning of autosomal recessive trait. Autosomal means not on the sex chromosome, other 22 chromosome, and it is a recessive trait only. The affected individual lacks an enzyme. Already this we had learned. The affected individual lacks an enzyme that converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. This is the symptom of the disease. The affected individual lacks an enzyme that converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. We all are normal in the sense of phenylketonuria. We all are not having any problem of phenylketonuria. So in our body, during metabolism, phenylalanine is produced. Phenylalanine is an amino acid produced during metabolism in our body. In a normal body, phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine by the help of phenylalanine hydroxylase. By the help of phenylalanine hydroxylase. It is an enzyme only in a normal body. In our body, phenylalanine is produced by metabolic activities, and afterwards it is converted into tyrosine by the help of an enzyme only. But the individual who are having this disease, phenylketonuria, or any genetic disorder in their body, the lack an enzyme that converts, this enzyme will not be there. Lacking of this enzyme which converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. As a result, what will be happen? This phenylalanine will not be converted into tyrosine, and this phenylalanine will be accumulated in the body. Phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. As a result, this phenylalanine will be accumulated in the body. Especially in the cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid is the fluid present in between the meningitis of brain only, and in spinal cord also. To avoid friction, a fluid is present surrounding the brain and the spinal cord, that is cerebrospinal fluid. So in this affected individual lacks an enzyme that converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. As a result of this, phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenylpyruvic acid. Not converted into tyrosine. Instead of that, it is converted into phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives. Accumulation of these in brain, this phenylpyruvic acid and its derivatives in brain, results in mental retardation only. Mental retardation. The meaning of mental retardation understood? Mental retardation means mentally not growing up. These are also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by the kidney. If tyrosine is normal only, phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine and it is passing through the urine only because kidney easily absorbing this tyrosine. But the person who is having this genetic disorder, phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. Instead of that, it is converted into phenylpyruvic acid. It is converted into phenylpyruvic acid in the absence of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. So, as a result, what will be happen? This phenylpyruvic acid is not absorbing by the kidney. So, it will not be passed through the urine. Poor absorption will be there. So, it will be accumulated in the body, especially in the cerebrospinal fluid and the cerebrum. That will cause the mental retardation. Understood? But how it is in the normal body? In our body, phenylalanine hydroxylase is synthesizing properly. An enzyme it is. This phenylalanine hydroxylase is synthesizing properly. As a result, phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine. And tyrosine is absorbed by the kidney and removing through the urine normally. Understood? But if the person is genetically disordered, then what will be happen? This enzyme is not producing properly. Phenylalanine hydroxylase. Without phenylalanine hydroxylase, phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine, but it is converted into phenyl pyruvic acid. Phenyl pyruvic acid is very poorly absorbing by the kidney. So its excretion is very poor only. So it will be accumulated in the body, especially in the brain, cerebrospinal fluid surrounding the brain and the spinal cord. That causes mental retardation. Understood all of you? This disease is called phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. Keto derivatives only producing. Urea means through urine it is. So this one more time see that this inborn error of metabolism is also inherited as autosomal recessive trait it is. The affected individual lacks an enzyme that converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. As a result of this, phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenyl pyruvic acid and other derivatives. Accumulation of this in brain results in mental retardation. These are also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by the kidney. These are also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by kidney. So all of you understood. So this is the last one in Mendelian disorder. We will be see that we had learned which are in Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders we had learned that the most important characteristic of Mendelian disorder is already we learned. I am summarizing this one. Single gene only affected. This one see that alteration of this is occurring alteration or mutation in the single gene only. And most common prevalent Mendelian disorders, hemophilia we learned, sickle cell anemia learned, color blindness learned, phenylketonuria. Cystic fibrosis only not example not explained in the textbook. Other hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, phenylketonuria, all this we had learned. All of you understood. Now I will show some slide to you. So this is the slide of phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error only. The meaning of inborn error understood? By birth itself. It is an inborn error of metabolism and it is an autosomal recessive trait. Autosomal recessive trait. Lacks an enzyme that converts amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. As a result, phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenyl pyruvic acid. It accumulates in the brain, results mental retardation and also excreted through urine only. It accumulates in the brain, results in mental retardation and sometimes because of the poor absorption of the kidney, it is excreted through urine also. So as it is excreted through the urine, phenylalanine only, so it is phenylketonuria. Because phenylalanine is converted into phenyl pyruvic acid and its derivatives also. So phenylketonuria, it is an inborn error of metabolism. It is an autosomal recessive trait. Lacks an enzyme that converts amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Lacks an enzyme. It lacks an enzyme that converts amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. And phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenyl pyruvic acid. Phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenyl pyruvic acid and its derivatives also. Keto group also forming. So this disease is known as phenylketonuria. Nuria means releasing through the urine. It accumulates in the brain, results in mental retardation and also excreted through urine. So slides I will send you. So this phenylketonuria, all of you understood. This is the last one example explained as Mendelian disorder. So now we were learning the Mendelian disorder only. So Mendelian disorder, color blindness. So characters of color blindness we had learned, and hemophilia and sickle cell anemia and phenylketonuria. These are the 3 diseases explained and given. Color blindness, 4. Color blindness, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria. These are the diseases explained and given in Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders. Understood. So, this Mendelian disorders also, which are the sex-linked disorders like hemophilia, sex-linked disorders also you have to mention there. Like that also question can be asked. Explain the sex-linked Mendelian disorders. Then sex-linked only you have to write. Otherwise, if it is asking autosomal linked the Mendelian disorder, then you have to write that only. That also you have to take care that. Here, sickle cell anemia, autosomal linked only. Phenylketonuria, autosomal linked only. Thalassemia, not linked with. Hemophilia, sex-linked recessive only. So that you have to take it. That you have to consider only. So Mendelian disorders we were learning. Characters of color blindness I told it is a sex-linked recessive only. Color blindness and hemophilia sex-linked recessive characters only, which are color blindness and hemophilia. And this one sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria. These all are examples of autosomal recessive trait only. Students, now we are going to learn another topic, that is chromosomal disorders only. We are going to learn now chromosomal disorders. So in chromosomal disorders, what was the speciality of Mendelian disorders? In Mendelian disorders, single gene only having disability, disorder, abnormality, aberration. So in chromosomal disorders, on the other hand, are caused due to absence of excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome only. The chromosomal disorders, on the other hand, are caused due to absence or excess. Absence or excess also can be there. Either absent or excess, or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome, one or more chromosome. Here in Mendelian disorder, single gene only affected. Here one chromosome or more than one chromosome also. And 3 possibilities are there. It can be due to absence of chromosome. It can be because of excess chromosome, and it is due to the abnormal arrangement also. Arrangement, any abnormality comes, then also it will be come. So failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of chromosomes called aneuploidy. When aneuploidy will be takes place, failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. Failure of segregation means separation of chromatids. Cell division already we had learned in 11th standard. So during cell division, chromosome are separating, that all you are knowing. So failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of a chromosome. One cell is dividing into 2. Then chromosomes are not separating, then what will be happen? One cell will be get all the chromosome, other having less chromosome only. So one is in excess and other is in loss only. Understood? While dividing the cell, total 46 chromosome are there. In that 23 should be go to one cell and other 23 should be go to the other cell only. But sometimes chromosomes are seeing as a pair only, 23 pair only. So sometimes what will be happen? During cell division, these chromosomes are not separated. As a result, one full chromosomes are going to the, actually 2 chromatids are there, it should be separated, but one chromosome actually going to one cell. So that cell is having excess chromosome and the other cell which do not get having less chromosome only. The condition understood. This condition is called aneuploidy. This condition is called aneuploidy. For example, Down syndrome results in the gain of extra copy of chromosome 21st only. Like that one syndrome. The Down syndrome is a syndrome in human being. In Down syndrome, now we will be learn about the Down syndrome also. So in Down syndrome, results in the gain of extra copy of chromosome 21. Extra copy of the chromosome 21. 21 having an extra chromosome, then only Down syndrome results. Like that in Turner syndrome, results due to loss of an X chromosome. Like that in Turner syndrome, results due to loss of an X chromosome in human females only. Loss. By loss, which syndrome happening? Turner syndrome. What is losing? Which chromosome is losing? X chromosome is losing. As we know that we are having two X chromosomes. From that one X chromosome losing, then Turner syndrome only. Turner syndrome only. So both the condition we understood now. One is due to Down syndrome is due to excess chromosome only. Which chromosome was in excess? 21st pair was in excess only. And one is happened because of absence of chromosome or lack of chromosome, that is Turner syndrome. Which chromosome was in lack? X chromosome only. Failure of cytokinesis. What is meant by cytokinesis? Separation or division of cytoplasm is called a cytokinesis. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in whole set of chromosome in an organism. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division. After telophase stage of cell division, cytokinesis is not taking place. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm is not taking place. It results in an increase in whole set of chromosome in an organism, and this phenomenon is known as polyploidy. Polyploidy. This condition mostly seeing in plants only. So two ploidy we had to learn now. Which are the two ploidy? Aneuploidy and polyploidy. So what is aneuploidy? Failure of segregation of chromosome during cell division cycle results in gain or loss of chromosome is called the aneuploidy. Aneuploidy, two example also we had learned. Which were the two example? In Down syndrome, results in the gain of extra copy of a chromosome pair 21st. 21st chromosome having an extra copy of chromosome. That is excess. Example of excess only, Down syndrome. Another example we learned is Turner syndrome only. That is due to lack of chromosome only. Which one is lacking? An X chromosome is lacking. Two X chromosome, normally human female having two X chromosomes. From that one is lacking. So this one is having only one X chromosome. That syndrome is the Turner syndrome. So this is happening due to failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in increase in a whole set of chromosome in an organism, and failure of segregation of chromatids due to cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of chromosome is called a aneuploidy. The examples of aneuploidy, this one see that a Down syndrome, and another one you say Turner syndrome. Two syndrome we had learned. Down syndrome results in the gain of extra copy of 21st chromosome, and Turner syndrome due to the absence of X chromosome. Understood? Now we are going to learn polyploidy only. Polyploidy means, this one is important, failure of cytokinesis. What is meant by cytokinesis? Cytoplasm division. After nucleus all divided, chromosome separated, then cytoplasm is not dividing. After telophase stage results in an increase in whole set of chromosome in the order only, Then what will be happen? Polyploidy will be happen. So polyploidy means failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in whole set of chromosome. Not one chromosome is increasing. There we had learned that in Down syndrome, one chromosome increasing. So 47 chromosome will be there only. 47. 46, one increased, so 47. In Turner syndrome, one is lacking. So 45 chromosome only there. Here it is not like that. In polyploidy, it is full set is increasing. What is the set? In human being, 2 sets of chromosome are there. So we are diploid organism only. Human being, 2 sets of organism are there. One set means 23 chromosome. Like that, 2 sets are there. So diploid, we are saying 2n only. N means 1 set. 2n means 2 into 23, so 46. So 23 is 1 set. So here in polyploidy, set itself is increasing. Not 1 or 2 chromosomes, set. So failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in a whole set of chromosomes in an organism. And this phenomenon is known as polyploidy. This condition is often seen in plants. The total number of chromosomes of a normal human being is 46 only. 46. Out of these, 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair chromosome is sex chromosome. This already we had learned that. Sometimes, so rarely, either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack one of any one pair of chromosome only. Sometimes, so rarely, either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included. Either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included in an individual, or individual may lack one or any one pair of the chromosome. This one read one time. So rarely, either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack one of any one pair of chromosome. This situation is known as trisomy. Trisomy means one pair adding. So one is adding, so it is called a trisomy. So total 3 chromosomes are there. In human being, total 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. How many are there? 23 pair. Each chromosome is seen as pair only. Like that, I will show you. 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. These are the 23 pairs of chromosomes. See. So like this pairs only see. Suppose in this pair of chromosome, one more chromosome is added. Then it will become how many? 3 are there? 3 are there. 3. That condition is called a trisomy. Understood? Trisomy in any 23 pairs are there. In any of this pair, one more chromosome is adding. One more chromosome is adding. Then it is called a trisomy. Then it is called a trisomy. Suppose that one chromosome is removed. One chromosome removed. Then how many chromosomes are there in pair? Only one chromosome only there. That condition is called a monosomy. Tri means 3 only. One more is adding. Pair means 2 already there. One more is adding means it will become 3. 3. So called a trisomy. From one pair, one is removing. Then how many remaining there? Only one only remaining there. So that is monosomy. Mono means one only. So trisomy and monosomy, all of you understood better. So these situations are known as trisomy or monosomy respectively. Such a situation leads to very serious consequence in the individual, like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome are common examples of chromosomal disorders. Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome are the common examples of chromosomal disorders. So seeing this one, so 2 types of ploidy are there, aneuploidy and polyploidy. Aneuploidy means gain of extra copy of chromosome, otherwise lack of one chromosome only. Full set is adding or full set is lowering. Full set means in human being it is 23 chromosome are there in one set. Like that, full set is adding or full set is removing, then it is called a polyploidy. Polyploidy. Trisomy and monosomy all are coming under aneuploidy only. This causing serious effect. The one individual is shown with a Down syndrome here. Down syndrome and corresponding chromosome of the individual. Down syndrome where it is happened. When Down syndrome will be happen in 21st pair of the chromosome. This is that this one see that 21st pair of the chromosome. in 21st pair of the chromosome, one chromosome is adding up, then it is called a, see here, this is the 21st, total 23 are there. Instead of 23 pair of chromosome, in this 23 pair of chromosome, 3 are seeing there now. So one chromosome is added up. That is trisomy only. Here trisomy only. Down syndrome is due to trisomy of the 21st pair of chromosome. Understanding or not? Trisomy of 21st pair of chromosome causes which disease? Down syndrome. Now don't think that we are having Down syndrome or not. If we are having Down syndrome, we will be look like this only. See this one. Broad flat face, big and wrinkled tongue, congenital heart disease, flat back of head, many loops on fingerprints, tips, paw, creases. Don't worry, we will be learn about the syndromes now detail. So Down syndrome, 3 syndromes are also there. Down syndrome already we had learned that the cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an additional copy of the chromosome number 21. The cause of this genetic disorder is the presence of an additional copy of the chromosome number 21, that is trisomy of 21. This order was first described by Langdon Down. So from Langdon Down only this disease got the name Down syndrome. The affected individual is short, statured with stature short, suppressed with a small round head, furrowed tongue, partially open mouth. Palm is broad and with the characteristic palm crease. Physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. These symptoms you have it to by heart. This disorder was first described by Langdon Down. The affected individual is short statured with a small round head, furrowed tongue, partially open mouth. Palm is broad with a characteristic palm crease. Physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. Down syndrome already we had learned. Next syndrome is Klinefelter syndrome. This genetic disorder is also caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome. Normally, how many X chromosomes are there? 2 S chromosomes are there. Now, how many will be there? 3 are there. So, additional copy of S chromosome resulting into a karyotype. So, totally 46 chromosomes are there. So, one more X means now it will become 47. That will be represented as XXY. It is represented as XXY. Such an individual has overall masculine development. However, the feminine development will be more only because 2 chromosomes are there. Additional copy of X chromosome. It is a male only XY it is. In a male, how the sex chromosomes are there? 1 X and 1 Y. But because of genetic disorder, 1 more X came there. So it is trisomy only. 1 more X came there. Actually, it should be normal person. It will be XY. Male only, no XY. So 1 more X is added there. So 40 chromosome number become 47. So even though a Y chromosome is present, so masculine gender it will be. So muscular development will be there. Muscular development more in male only because of the Y chromosome secreting some hormone and all related with that. But because of the 2 S chromosome, some feminine characters also will be developed along with the masculine characters like feminine development, that is development of breast is called gynecomastia. Means the organism is a male one only. Masculine characters are there. But because of one extra S chromosome, feminine characters develop in males, that is called gynecomastia, is expressed. Such individuals are sterile only, not having reproductive capacity. The meaning of sterile means reproduction is not possible. Opposite of fertile only. The last syndrome described here is Turner syndrome. Already we had learned Turner syndrome. These two are the example of monosomy only. Down syndrome occurring on which chromosome? 21st pair trisomy, and Klinefelter syndrome is occurring on the sex chromosome only. That is 23rd pair. Instead of XY, 1 more chromosome is adding there, that is X chromosome. And this is due to a monosomy only. 1 chromosome is losing only. So how many chromosomes will be there in the person having Turner syndrome? If monosomy occurred means 45 chromosome only. Trisomy occurred means 46 plus 1. 46 plus 1. And monosomy means 46 minus 1. So such a disorder is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosome, that is 45 with X0 only. X0 means one chromosome is lost from there. Actually, it should be XX. Otherwise, X1. Instead of that, that chromosome is lost. Now it has only one chromosome, only sex chromosome. Such females are sterile only. So it is female only. So XX should be there. One X chromosome is removed from that. Such females are sterile as ovaries are rudimentary besides other features including lack of other secondary sexual characters. So by this we have completed the lesson. It was very lengthy lesson only, very important lesson also. Many things we had learned from this. So all of you have to learn, by learning these two lessons, one more lesson is there in the genetics. Almost all portion will be completed. Like that, heavy lessons are there. How weightage is also given like that. So don't want to worry that. So 3 Down syndrome, Klinefelter-Turner syndrome, all of you understood diagram also given like that. Feminist character, this Klinefelter syndrome only shown here. Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter, remembering. And this is the Turner syndrome. So this Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, XXY only. One X chromosome is there. As a result, breast development is there. Breast development is same. Like that only. Tall stature with the feminist characters because of one X chromosome is more there. And in Turner syndrome, how it was there? One S chromosome is losing. So feminine short stature and underdeveloped feminine characters only. Underdeveloped feminine characters only. So this is the Down syndrome also shown here. Down syndrome shape. See. And many times asked this one only, chromosomal disorders. These are chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders asking, then you have to write aneuploidy, polyploidy. And examples of aneuploidy in that monosomy and trisomy. Trisomy 2 diseases learned, and in monosomy 1 disease learned. Remembering? Understood? And this Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome are the examples of trisomy. And Turner syndrome is the example of monosomy. By this we have completed the lesson, and the notes of this lesson I will send you. First 1, 2, 3 lessons I had already sent it to you. Now 4th and 5th I will be send, and the slides also I will send, but you can post the slide and see once summarize. Then I will show some slides now to you. This is a autosomal linked recessive blood disease. This and chromosomal disorders. An additional copy of chromosome may be included. Trisomy, additional copy. Lack of one pair of chromosome, monosomy. It leads to Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. And in this Klinefelter syndrome and Down syndrome, due to trisomy only, additional copy of chromosome may be included. And Turner syndrome, monosomy only, one chromosome is lacking there only. Gain or loss, both will be done. Either gain or loss. It's called aneuploidy. And polyploidy means a full set is gaining, or full set means in human being how many chromosomes are there in one set? 23. Full set is gaining or losing. Then it is called a polyploidy. So I think that all of you understood the session, and you have to write the exercise into the notebook of this lesson. So totally 5 lessons we have completed now. Isn't it or not? 5 lessons completed. Now I will take the test of first lesson. When I will see the timetable, according to that where gap getting, I will take the test of the first lesson. So all of you start to prepare the first lesson. Next session I will come with the practical book only. Practical also, how you have to write it, that I will show that. In microscope, some practicals doing that I can't be shown through the video. That after coming to the school we will be doing like that. 2, 3 only there. So which one you want to write I will say.